Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change password on Flo Period Tracker. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flo app, which of course I have done right here. Now, where exactly can you get the Flo app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Now, once you launch any of those applications, go ahead and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Flo app and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download the application. Now, after downloading the application, it's going to take you right into the sign in window where you're going to be asked to either log in, use an existing account, or to create an entirely new account. Now, after following any of those processes and you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic window where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the Flo app. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change password on Flo Period Tracker. So the first thing I would like you to do is to click on your avatar icon at the top left corner of this home screen. So after clicking on the avatar icon, it takes you to this window where you have graphs and reports, cycle and ovulation, you have settings, you have access code, you have reminders, and you have help. So the thing that I would like you to do is to select edit info. So just right below your email address, you have the edit info option in there. So go ahead and click on edit info. And after clicking on edit info, you're going to see at the top right corner of your screen, the log out option. So go ahead and click on log out. I really do not want to log out because I want to log in back. So once you click on log out and you want to log in again, so select log out. And once you select log out, come back into the application and log in again. Now, in the process of logging in again, that's the sign in window, you're going to see an option that says forgot password. So go ahead and click on forgot password. And once you click on forgot password, then just follow through with the on-screen prompts to reset your password and change the password to something entirely new. So there is no direct option that or direct command allows you to change your password in here. You're going to have to log out and select forget password and follow through with the prompts to reset your password. So this is how you can change the password on Flo Period Tracker. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.